Good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. We are on stream start, not stream end. How's everybody doing? See you guys, man. Pretty lax-a-daisy week for trading for Jay. Been a little busy. Really, I've been waking up early, man. So it's like by the time it's like this time, I'm tired, man. Hard for me to get in the swing of things over here, man. Like I just missed the big move. That was the liquidity. This is not a good spot to be trading, man. Close is coming up. How are you guys? Everything's good. Just wanted to see this on like the hourly. Like, when's the hourly close here? This hourly just closed, so I don't know. This is kind of a short opportunity, man. Be big smackdown on the hourly, right? What do you guys think? Let's look at NQ too. Yeah, NQ closed the hourly below too. NQ just held the hourly though, man. Like they're trying to game this, right? There's no sense in shorting this, man. I don't like shorting it here, man. You know, it's not really my setup to short. I think we're headed a bit higher at this point. It just sucks because we can't really get any entries, so just gonna be kind of sidelined, I think, until I'd just be looking for the liquidity over top of this, I guess. 23. Get the 4 hour. Yeah, even that's like there's not much there. It's just tested, you know what I mean? This is probably going up here, bro. 67. Find a way to get long. Would like them to dump this, man, down to 55. That would be the play, right? I don't like shorting. I don't love it. I don't love the short. I don't love the short here. Quite the fucking sell-off, though. Jesus Christ. Russell looks like the best trade because Russell dipped it a bit. So longing Russell around here looks like the best kind of trade. You know, man. You know.
Find me where the silence hides, 'cause I need a minute. I see now how it
What do you guys say, man?
now I'm listening. So find me
You guys got to keep me awake here.
'cause I need distance. I can hear you now. Now I'm hidden. There's a place to build my ways, to build some walls around this precious porcelain. When I'm in pain, don't wanna walk away. Regenerate the better part of me.
It's not like I hate shorts here, man. I don't hate them. I just like the Russell long just looks better, man. Let's look at gold too here, man, for a second. Gold dipped it. Dip it anywhere good? They didn't quite gain. No, man. Gold's trying to re-achieve here. I think the Russell is going to be the one. It's the one to get involved in. I'm going to buy this top range. I think it's going to be the Russell. They gained the 15 too. They didn't quite bring it down though, you know. They didn't get down far enough. I don't really love it. Just be a no fucking trade kind of day for me. Have a breakdown of Bitcoin, yeah? This is fully tested area, man. Bitcoin's looking a little shady, man. I really think that we're headed back down here. I think we're headed back down to 99, 98. Maybe up first one more time, but even that's tested already. Even that's tested already. Okay, I'm gonna get long Russell. Really the only play. Not much, just a bit. Like really like a low risk trade, man. Low not many contracts, just 2 contracts, just because I kind of missed the initial move here. So see if they can continue that. So yeah, for Russell, we're probably gonna get hour here for a second. Not this long. Try it though. Just try to get back to the top of the range. You get back to the top of the range, you're probably taking out the top here. Take out that top, we're probably you might even challenge up there. And top of the range it would be the trade. Not a big trade, man, really, like a small trade, $75 risk, like really tiny trade. just for me to get something on the table here. Might add one more to this if it dips a little bit more. One or two more. No? What's new, guys? What's up, guys? Just dead chat. What happened? My streaming schedule went out the fucking window. I have too many fucking jobs, man. Managing construction sites, not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Appreciate that follow. So let's see if we can just get a little pump here on the Russell. We'll look to add to this position a little bit on the if they dump it a bit. You're interested in this position. Sorry, I can't read your thing because what aspects to pay attention to? Well, it's mainly just about price action, man. You need to learn a little bit about price action first. Would be what you need to learn. If you check out the YouTube channel, there's a whole tutorial section on price action. It's not really like super in depth, but it goes through all the basics. You need to know what you're looking at, you know what I mean, first before you would start trading. Mostly about just like when things gain and like trying to spot turnarounds, you know, and figure out when things turn around. The chart gives you candlesticks, give you signals, right? On when things are possibly going to turn around. So the Russell here, you're down here, I can show you. So if you're looking on the 15-minute on the Russell's in a downtrend, and we gained this 15-minute, so looking for a move like that. just like basic price action stuff, right? When you gain the previous swing, when you come back down, that's when you're looking for to capitalize on this move, right? So gain the previous swing, came back down, so you're looking to capitalize on this move. Pretty basic. If you look at go through the YouTube video, like there's a tutorial section. They're real quick videos. You know, like me just talking about price action for like 5 minutes each time when people explain. It's at Mainline Trades on YouTube. That's just the easiest way. Kind of just tired right now, so hard for me to explain it in depth, you know. All right, I added one more to the Russell. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a bounce here. Look at this on the tick chart here. Looking for a re-achieve on the inside on this 5 minute. To see them start getting closes above that. What's the minimum budget to get started? I mean, you can get started for like next to nothing, right? If you trade crypto, you can make your trades worth whatever you want. Like you can just put $50 in or whatever, right? Just to learn. Whatever you put in at the beginning, you're 100% you're gonna lose because you don't know what you're doing, right? So it's, you know, just get ready to lose money at first, right? Until you know what you're doing. And the thing about like how much should you start with, it's kind of like it's different for everybody, right? Because you can't just paper trade, because paper trading, half the thing about trading is about emotion, right? And about emotion control. Learning price action is fucking easy. You'll be able to do that within a month. But you know, actually when there's money involved in the trade, like it makes you do, you know, stupid shit. You know, not correct stuff. Like your push trades early, or you move your stop when you shouldn't, and stuff like that, right? So the harder part about trading is just the emotion control that's involved with it, right? So that's why you can't really paper trade. Paper trading, it doesn't really work that well because there's no emotion tied to the trade, right? There's no money involved. So I always recommend just like, you know, start with small amount of money for sure, because you're gonna lose it. But the trade needs to be worth something to you. You know what I mean? Like it needs to be worthwhile, at least a little bit, for you to capture some of that emotion that's gonna happen when real money's on the line, right? Because you need to practice that shit, or it's not. Or when you start trading with real money, you'll fail because of the emotion control that you haven't practiced. So, you know, for some people it's $50, for some people it's 500, for some people it's 1,000, for some people it's 10,000. It really just depends how much money you have, right? So you want the trades to be, you don't want to be breaking the bank, right? But you because like I said, you're going to be losing the money that you put in at first, most likely, unless you're like some kind of phenom or something. But you know, you need to, the trade needs to be worthwhile for you. Like you need to have some kind of an attachment to it monetarily, or else, yeah, you'll never get the emotion control part of it. It doesn't hurt to do some paper trading when you're just first learning how to do price action and first learning how to chart read. Sure, do paper trading, is fine. But once you start learning how to trade and actually trading, you need to have money involved. So whatever that is to you, to make it worth your while and not break your bank, because like I said, you're gonna blow up the account. Even me, that I've been doing this for like 15 years, you know, even after I knew what I was doing, I lost money. I blew up accounts. Here's the market open. Okay, I'm gonna add one more to the Russell here. That'll be the last one that I add. I can't add anymore. Okay, so we're at like $120 trade now. $120 if I lose. Yeah, big money brings big profits, but honestly, you need to learn what you're doing first, right? Before you start putting any kind of money, any kind of big money. Yeah, next, bro. It's all good. This trade looks like it's gonna lose. But it's fine. It's a $120 loss on a 200K funded account. Yeah, you have a good day too, man. Trying to hang in there. We're trying to hang. Trying to hang. Trying to hang. Trying to gain on the tick now. Yeah, gaining on the tick. Trying to hang. Trying to hang in there, man. See if they can gain to 5. Really kind of a messy trade that I got myself into here. I don't really love it. Fucking push it, man. Trying to push it. Let's see. See if he can, man. Let's just see if he fucking can. See if you can gain this 5 up here, man. It's not looking too promising right now. Shit. We just push it one time? One time, you dirty little Russell? Just let me get a fucking profitable Russell trade for once. I really don't love this, guys, honestly. Feeling the stop out is coming.
Got me saying what's in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can breathe. It ain't right, 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 it ain't right, 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 it ain't right. Oh no, it ain't right, 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 it ain't right, 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 it ain't right. Baby, let's go all the way.
Sell off. Stop. Yes, here. We are going to be looking along this.
Got me saying what's in my head. Filling my mind with these
That short would have worked that I was talking about. God damn it. Second guess myself at the start. I'm going to take one here. One though. Add two more to it here. Huh. out of this trade, man. I'm longing. I'm gonna take more. I was gonna short right at the start, man, with that 1 hour close. I'm just gonna average this all the way down. See if they can close this back above. And I think they're going to bounce this right here, like 56, 55. See, the 4 hour closed in 12 minutes, right? So it was, I would imagine they're going to at least try to challenge this, right? One more. I'm at 22. You think all the way down here? Oh, I don't know. That the top of the 4 hour swing here. Four-hour closes in 11 minutes. Imagine they're gonna try to challenge this, right? At least here. We'll see what happens if they close the 4 hour up there. Then it means go time. We'll see. Or it could be a $500 loss day per account for Jay. Pretty strong move. My entry is basically where they need to close it above. Take a couple off because I'm a little heavy on this trade. Five. Probably am down money because it brought it down to 3. If they don't close above 72, I'll probably look to exit in 10 minutes. Just try again lower. Sell off in Bitcoin, Jesus Christ. Ugh, not looking good. NFP Friday tomorrow. Could be another range day. Yeah, could be. I think I'm just gonna give this 4 hour like some weight, right? Like if they close this above here, this will be my line in the sand, right? Like they can close above 72, then you know that they're trying to save it. That's really all this trade was based off of, was this 4 hour and how they're going to try to save it. I did get a little too heavy into it though, than I normally do. Really, and heavy can be dangerous. Yeah, no doubt, man. Don't I know it? I know it all too well, man. That's why I can't get off the micros, dude. Is because it's like, you know, at least it's not too bad because I can pepper my way in, you know what I mean, and pepper my way out. And if I fuck up, then it's like, you know, a few $100s. Not like if I did that on the big boys, it would be disaster, man. It would just be a disaster. I was talking about shorting this, man, right when I got here on the 1 hour. It presented an opportunity. God damn it. You know? Yeah, I think BTC is going to 99, 98, 97 even. Oh, first, yeah. I really should take another PT off. I was really hoping that it would just go, man, but honestly, looking at the bigger time for the monthly close didn't look too good, you know? Yeah, it was just meh. Wasn't the worst signal, but it was still just meh. Yeah, getting close to this. I'll probably take another trade here. That'll be it. We'll see what happens here. And then that's it. That'll be it for trading for today. See if they can retest that 4 at least. Did see a move here. Russell kind of at a spot too. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this trade at break even. Maybe a little bit more break even. Pretty rough 4-hour close here, so. Down 200 bucks on the day. Not the greatest. Shorting this retest isn't a bad idea either. I don't think they'll get all the way back up there. I think I'm shorting a pop. That's my plan. Like shorting this 4 hour. You know. And Q looks like a nicer short. I mean, I don't think so. think ES is still better. Start shorting even right now. I think this short's going to be good for lower, you know. Below this, they're probably going to take the liquidity underneath here, underneath this 4-hour swing. Or at least at the 4-hour swing and test this, so like 30. Got 3 short. I'll add to it if we pop higher. That's what you were thinking, yeah. We think the same, BDP. We think the same. We learned the same, the exact same way to trade, basically. Your entries are a little bit more surgical than mine, though, that's for sure. I like to take the pepper approach. Well, still price action based, but yeah, my entries are definitely not. They could use work for sure. Well, I'll probably never trade the big boys, man. Only when I'm trying to pass evals. I do have 5 evals I need to try to pass, so that'll be next week's problem. All right, first PT is going to be a sweep of this. Or at the lows. Oh, how to sell. I love the 4-hour close now. I do too. Really should base almost all trading around the 4 hours, man. It's really only 2 times a day to trade, around the first 4-hour close and around the second 4-hour close. Everything else is kind of whatever, you know. Doesn't really hold too much weight. Trying to hang in here, man. Trying to hang, man. Wait, stop it. Bodies. That would be my stop. Don't talk about that. Let's not even have it on the chart. Not even have it on. Let's not even have it up. Dude, I've been like slacking on the trading, man, and then streaming. Jesus. Such a slacker. So funny, man. Like, I'm managing this construction project. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, man, at all. It's so funny. Like, I have no idea. I'm trying to fucking like delegate these Indonesians around on like what to do. None of them speak English. Like, it's fucking ridiculous, man. Really. Trying to communicate through like broken, like Google Translate doesn't do well on translating Bahasa Indonesia, man. I'll tell you that. Half the time it's like they don't know what I'm talking about, or like I don't know what they're talking about. I think they know they're good at construction, or else we'd really be fucked. All right, failing a little bit on the tick. Are they gonna hang in here, or are they just gonna get a new 4-hour low, man? Let's just put in a new 4-hour low first. Don't go up first. I hate you. If they do go up, really be this swing that I'd want to short. You did you short also BDP already? These shorts sometimes they take a while to play out, man. When it's like the second short. The first one usually goes fast, the second one takes a long time. I mean, I was fucking talking about this. I don't know why I second guessed myself, man. On ES, I was talking about this. I was looking at the 1 hour when I first got here. I was looking at the 1 hour and I was like, well, the 1 hour fucking couldn't close above, right? I was like, there's a massive level here. And the price was literally right here. I was like, this is probably a good area to short it. This would have been a profit target, you know. I definitely would have gotten a profit target. Bit frustrating, man. Stupid. $77.40 you took, yeah? Laid it out on the tip pretty good. Gonna go for a quick cigarette, man. I can't take this vape anymore. Back. Looks like they are gonna try to dump it. See if we can get this PT. The next PT after this sweep is gonna be quite a bit lower. Like I said, around 30. I should put it in now just in case they really dump it. Craftsman, what's up, brother? All right, I'll be right back, guys. All right, back to break even. You can take another one here. One more for good measures. That's it. Modify this up to 2. All right, man. Let's see if we can dump this, you know? What's up, Craftsman? You're back. You're back in it. Did you pass your vowels? What's going on? Nothing, man. Just fucking trading, you know. It's been a tiring week for me, man, because the old construction site getting to me. Hard for me to have energy to come here and stream. Oh no. All right, this is getting close to a stop, man. I have 5. It's already at 300. I can't do any more than that. Can't do any more than that, man. That's it. Yeah, they're best to just try to pass in one swing, you know what I mean? You either get it or you don't. You can die, yeah. Just on the wrong side of trading today, man. Gonna add one more here. That's really the last one though. Just dump it, man. Yeah, I was long too, honestly, but I closed it because the 4-hour close didn't look very good on ES. So I flipped the shorts. I'm thinking we're going a little bit lower. What about NQ? Let's just look at NQ real quick here. NQ kind of just held. Fuck. They're pushing this thing higher, man. Emart finally woke up. Check it out. I was a PT. This was a PT spot, but could just take it higher. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good pump. All right, man. Dump it, man. Let's just dump it now. I've had enough of this bullshit. Yeah, dump it. Good. I'm not touching my fucking PTs, man. I'm over it. I'm over touching my PTs. I'm not moving them around. Really, just it for me.
Now you can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to give up myself for you to take control.
Just dump it, man. New 4-hour low. Let's go.
Still circling in love, baby, you don't even take the trouble. You don't even take the trouble to go on. Oh, I'm not the one who will take you there so easily. Oh, I'm not the one who's gonna take you there so easily. You can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to give up myself for you to take control. And you've been saying all the words.
Fucking Bitcoin looking pretty rough too, dude, with a rejection like that. Honestly, probably going to like 90, 98, 99, somewhere in that neighborhood. I hope that holds. We'll have to start taking bigger start having to be like a more serious fucking dumping of the assets. Go, new 4-hour low. Come on, man. Fucking around here.
We're sleeping in your arms, we're jumping a historic we use your
Huh.
healthy air, we still act like we don't
Good.
care.
Good. Now this is kind of interesting because NQ doesn't look as bad. NQ doesn't look as bad, really. Oh, I really got close to the PT there. Let's go, new 4-hour low. Frustrating, dude. That is fucking frustrating. Hey, dump it. Basically did a double bottom here on the 4-hour. I don't think that's gonna stand. Oh, it's pretty rough when you miss your PT by like not even $1, you know, $1. Rough. See if they hold this swing. If they hold this swing, this is starting to look like they're turning it around. God damn, you know? That's the worst, dude. Really want him to hold 72 to go higher. Basically where my entry is. Just fail. Just reject, man. This is the area where ES needs to hold. Right here. You don't really want to see them much more below this, or it's gonna go lower. $72 is the area. You really wanted to see them hold that, you know what I mean? Even on the tick chart, like you wanted to see them hold up there. Five-minute chart's a little bit more important, but kind of holding it. Fucking chop. Well, I'm gonna take a stop here. It's fucking brutal, man. Almost hit my PT and then I get just stopped out. Negative 400. Like, fuck off, man. Gonna end the stream there. Good times, man. Glad I came to trade today. Negative 800 on the day. Fucking brutal. Really, that sucks, man. The problem, the worst part is like this would have like I was like $1 from my stop or from my profit target. You know, I should have put my profit target in range. I would have hit it. Stupid. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Anyway, thanks for coming out, guys. I'm not shorting this now. Shorting this now is just, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't love it. Maybe for a scalp, but they're back above where they need to, right? They held this. They held 72. Down here, they held 72. They held it on the 5-minute. That's really what you wanted to see them hold, right? And they're holding it, so probably new highs. Probably range bound actually for a little while, you know what I mean? Just up and down, so. As long as they're holding 72, 71. That's where they need to hold to go higher. So they close this 4-hour up here and they're already closing 5 minutes. They bounced it hard on the 5-minute. Yeah. Probably like bounce around this area for like the rest of the day. And then, you know, tomorrow we'll have a blast out. Might be some like little opportunities like going short and long, but nothing major anymore. Cool. Check you guys later, yeah?